Hello and welcome to the third part of the project Bilskirnir. In last video we basically made the top part of the model, so we will continue where we started, and in this video we will actually make the entire bottom, and not only that, because of everything is connected via those pins, so we will also print all those pins, and as you probably have guessed it, put everything together and make two half as one big part. Basically, all the pieces are in a way the same as the top piece, meaning that we have logs, and on the second part we have holes, and basically the same goes for everything else. Yeah, so like the engine have holes, and uh, this part has corresponding pins. So everything snaps together, hopefully snaps together just like with the top part. So not much further to discuss, so I guess let's go straight to the printing and assembling everything together.
Okay, so here we have the model. As you can see, I already attached all the pegs. I didn't want to waste my time with it. So basically now we will assemble the top part. The bottom part, I mean. Okay, and I will only do this because now I have to, basically put the two halves together. Okay, Seem, seems that everything is in place, and now it feels kind of sturdy as it is now. So yeah, those are the two halves. So now I guess we can now attach the okay, one piece and the second piece. So this one comes here. Mm-hmm. And this one comes here. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And last but not least, we have to attach the engines. Mm-hmm. Okay, so the two halves are now together, and I'm really glad that it fitted together so nicely. It is now very sturdy. Once again, not a single drop of glue, and as you can see, it works. Yeah, so that's the model so far, and in the next video we will print all the details and all the basically all the lights that will be either blue or white. Okay, so I guess that's all for this video. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye bye.